How are you doing today?
I am good, ma'am, first of all. And
Hmm.
right now I am learning something and I take bath and then I talking with you right now.
Hmm. That's great. That's great. So your day just started?
Yeah,
Okay, that's amazing. It's a good start of day to start with something you like.
yeah, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. So can I know a little bit about you?
Yeah, of course, ma'am, of course. So my name is Naunik Pandey and I am connecting to you from Madhya Pradesh. And right now I am pursuing graduation. And if you talk about my hobbies, so my hobby are playing badminton, carom board, and moreover I like it football, man. That's it.
Okay, you're just that typical boy. Like boys always like to play all the time, right? Cricket, football, and all that. That's good. It's good to be sporty. Okay. So how come you developed interest in English communication skills?
Yeah, ma'am. Right now I am pursuing graduation.
Mm-hmm.
So you can say like my whole subject in English medium. So that's why I'm learning this language. So you can say I learned this language 4 months ago.
Mm-hmm.
So in earlier I do not know in single word, but
Okay.
gradually watch video like conversational related video podcast
Mm-hmm.
and build my listening power and then gradually improve my speaking part also.
Okay, so it's been 4 months that you have been continuously speaking, right? So
Yeah,
have you seen
but
any
not
improvement?
yeah, man. But I have not a continuous practice. You can say uh, after 1 month, I broke my practice. You can say, but
Mm-hmm.
nowadays I realize without practice, not confident and not become a fluent speaker. So
Right.
you can say like 20 days ago, I practice daily basis.
Hmm. It's good. You
Yeah,
have
I
to
am
keep
trying.
on doing practice daily.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. I am trying daily basis minimum 1 or 2%
Mm-hmm.
connect with especially video call.
Hmm. So you've been
Yeah,
connecting with YouTubers only, or in any other way you're doing practice somewhere else also?
anyone.
With anyone? Like, do you use apps as well?
Yeah, like nowadays very famous app Skype.
Uh-huh. Right, right, right. So how many hours do you give to English in your day?
Nowadays you can say ma'am 2 hours like that.
2 hours for speaking, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not speaking, but
Mm-hmm.
like sometime like 2 hours, 1.5 hours like that.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's
Yeah,
great. And you're in which year right now in your graduation?
I am third year.
Third year student. Okay. So what's your plan after that? You want to work in
Yeah.
corporates or want to do any business?
Yeah, yeah, man. Definitely. I am learning this language because I will give interview.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, my complete graduation, I will join in any company like
Right.
IT sector.
Hmm. Okay. So do you think that for interviews, we just have to work upon our language skills only? Do you think there are any other skills that are equally important as English
Yeah,
to crack
I am.
interviews?
Yeah, yeah. Like so many, you can say like part in so many part uh, interviewer observe like your eye contact confidence how to express your thought and how many times give you in single question all things like interviewer observing like that I think.
So true. And language comes later, but your body language comes first.
Yeah,
They'll first
yeah,
notice your body language, your confidence, and then only
yeah.
like that time only they'll decide whether they want to hire you or not, right?
Yeah,
Without even
interviewer
listening to
not
you.
Yeah, man. Interview not take times too much because of so many student in like 2 hours in finish
Hmm.
all interview. So in your first impression, only decided you are hired or not like that. I think.
Right, right. That's true. That's true. I was also once in HR. So I took many interviews in my lifetime, like around, I guess, around 1,000 interviews I've taken in my career. So I know about
Yeah,
it. We always
yeah,
used to first notice the smile, the confidence,
yeah,
and learning attitude, because languages can be learned over time, right?
yeah,
Technical skills also can be learned over time. So we give
yeah,
training in companies, but communication skills and personality development, that can't be taught in 2 or 3 months, right? So that
yeah,
is something you have to work upon more than your language, or you can just, parallelly work upon these two.
yeah.
Right. So
Yes,
which profile you'll be looking for?
yeah, as a software engineer, ma'am, I
Software
will
engineer.
join yeah, in MNC
Hmm.
company.
Yes, IT sector is in boom these days.
Yeah.
My husband also works for IT sector actually. So he
Oh,
gets good handsome amount. So that is why I know
yeah,
it's in boom.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And basically, I have watched lots of your video, especially on YouTube. So I observe, I like it, your especially video, because of your way of thought, deliver your thought and way of speaking. I like it, man.
Thank you so much. Okay, so are you learning something from my videos?
Yeah, man. Like some vocab and especially how to talk with someone, how to start with a stranger like that. I
Hmm.
also learning these days.
So do you think conversational videos helps more than any other sort of videos?
Yeah, ma'am. Like I do not know in others, but
Mhm.
in my life, like are very helpful for me.
Right. Everybody has different needs. If you think conversational videos works better for you, you're learning, then you should go for conversational and podcast, because in podcast also they have conversation, real life conversation, real time conversation. So that's good.
Like daily life conversational, you also know all word used for daily life like that. So
And
I
how to
like it.
hold the conversation.
Yeah, right.
Right. Even in interviews also, you converse with the interviewer. So you should develop those skills.
Yeah, yeah. Like I give the any interview, so interviewer not like that too many. How to convey your thought in front of a interviewer like that. So
Right.
I
We
yeah.
have a lot in our mind. We want to express a lot. Sometimes it happens that
Yeah.
we know the answer, we know what we wanted to say, but we can't
Yeah.
express because of the language barrier.
Right.
So once you
Yeah.
overcome this barrier, once you overcome this fear, you can explain yourself, you can express yourself in the best manner possible. And that's what
Yeah.
we want to do, right? It's not important to gain each and everything that is available in the world, that is under the sun. It's not important, but it's important to express what you want to express in a very nice manner, in a very elegant manner. So if you are able to
Yeah.
do that, that's more than enough. And then you can slowly and gradually work upon other parts as well.
Yeah. Right. Right. Right.
Mm. So, how do you prepare for your interviews? Have you started preparing
Yeah, you can say a little bit.
a little bit? Like, how do you
Yeah.
prepare?
Like mostly which type of question interviewer ask
Hmm.
during the review
Right.
time.
Yes, there
Yeah.
are many frequently asked questions that will be there in every interview you'll go through, right? Like, give me your introduction, then what are your strengths and weaknesses? Why should we hire you? Why are you better than other candidates? All these are just repeated question in every interview. So you can prepare these questions well in advance and just be confident in interviews when you are prepared, right? It happens. When we are prepared, we feel confident while speaking in the interview, right?
Yeah. In my main focus, I am confident during the interview. In I do not know in answer. Okay, no issue.
Mhm.
But at a time, like I manage all manage my confidence in.
Mhm.
I think most maintain things like at a during interview, total interview like that.
Right. Let's suppose you just stuck in a situation where you don't know the answer. How will you reply to the interviewer?
Yeah, I
Mm.
like if you go down your confidence. So I think very typical that time. I think
Hmm. Let
so.
me give
I
you
will
some
try.
suggestions on this. Like when you don't know the
Yeah,
answer, but you're confident. So you can simply answer the interviewer that, sorry, ma'am, I don't know the answer, but I'm eager to learn about it. So I'll go when I'll leave the interview, when I leave the place, then I'll search about it on the internet or I'll learn about it. I'm eager to learn. Or you can simply say, this is an interesting question. You can show the interest in her question. No matter
yeah,
you know or not, but you're showing interest that this is an interesting question. I'll surely learn about it. But really sorry, I don't know about it yet, but I'll learn about it. So this is how you can
yeah,
confidently answer even when you don't know,
yeah,
right?
ma'am, yeah.
Hmm. Okay.
You are also working person. I think you are also mentioned. I am HR.
Hmm.
Some.
Right. I used to work as an HR. I worked for around 2.5 years in corporates, but a long time ago. It's been around 8 years now that I'm not working.
Okay. So you
Hmm.
are also you have too many observed things how to ask question during the interview times.
Yes, I've gained a lot of experience in my corporate life as well. So I know, like
Yeah,
experience never, go waste. Experience never go
yeah,
waste. It will help you in your lifetime.
yeah.
So do you have
So
any questions
ma'am,
for me?
no ma'am.
Hmm.
Right now I have not any question. And do you have any question? So asking
Hmm.
ma'am.
Okay, so tell me something about your hobbies. Like you told me that you are really interested in cricket, football. So how do you follow your hobbies in your day-to-day life?
Right now, I have not follow any kind of hobby, ma'am. Like my college going on, and you can say like my placement very nearly. So
Hmm.
not pursue my any kind of hobby right now. But
Right.
in weekend, I will try for any kind of hobby like badminton, sometime
Hmm.
badminton like that.
Hmm. So do you feel any pressure when placements are around the corner?
Yeah, you can say yeah, normal, not
Hmm.
like very pressure. It is
Hmm.
normal.
Okay. So like sometimes it happens that when one of our friends or many of our friends get placement and we don't, then do you feel bad?
Yeah, that time I think so many difficult situations. But your mind prepare. Yeah, in this it's happen like sometimes.
Hmm. Hmm. It happens and
Mm,
it's so natural. Sometimes, company, let's suppose there is a company and they need just five candidates. So they'll select best five candidates. Maybe sixth one is also very potential, is good or near to fifth
yeah,
one, but still he didn't get select because they need only five candidates. So there is not your fault, but it's just that the requirement is just for five candidates. So even when you're not getting selected in any companies, just don't get disheartened. Just your mind should be prepared that it's not always your fault. It's not always that you are at flaw or you are at fault, but sometimes companies have different kind of requirement, and it's not just about the
yeah,
HR. The whole management is involved, right?
yeah,
So it's
right.
never your fault. So you just have to keep on trying in different companies, and one
Yeah,
day you'll get the offer,
yeah, of
right?
course.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay. So if you don't have any questions, let's wrap up this call here only. And I wish you all the best for your interviews.
yeah. Ma'am,
Mhm.
I have one question.
Okay.
What is the difference between communication and learning this language?
Communication and language. Okay. I'll tell you the
Yeah,
difference between communication and language. Language is just a medium to express yourself. Okay. Let's suppose I want to say something I've just expressed in my English language. But communication is to make other people, make the next person who is next to you understand what you want to say. If I'm able to do that effective, pass on the thought or pass on the idea, if I can effectively pass on the idea to the next person, that means that is a communication, good communication. Okay. When you are able to get what I wanted to say. But Language is just one sided, communication is two-sided. You got my point?
Yeah, ma'am.
So it's better to focus on communication more than just language. With language, you
Okay.
cannot be, you cannot excel in your career, but with good communication skills, language is a part of communication skills. Communication involves both verbal and non-verbal. Verbal means language,
Okay.
non-verbals means body language. Okay, so
Yeah.
you have to work in a holistic manner overall. So you have to
Thank
work on
you.
your communication skills as a whole.
Yeah, got it, ma'am. And ma'am, in are you observed? Sorry. Have
Have
you
your
observed? Yeah. Have you observed my English speaking? So could you give me feedback of my English, ma'am?
I think you've just started. You told me that you've started
Mm,
a few days ago. So,
mm,
keeping that in mind, you're doing quite good. But just keep on practicing on everyday basis. You'll get better over time. We can't expect results overnight, but it will happen over time. So just keep on exposing yourself to English content, conversational videos, podcasts, and read. Reading will help you build up your perspective, and it will help you for interviews as well. Sometimes interviewer ask question out of the blue, or out of the context, then these books will help you to develop your perspective. Okay, so read books, and you can also start writing. So just work
okay.
on everything and every aspect of learning, and just keep on doing on consistent basis. You'll definitely improve. You have to work a little on making questions, how to make questions.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
because I can see that you are
yeah.
struggling while making questions.
Yeah, ma'am. That
Okay.
how I am learning this part, the how to ask question with someone like that.
Right. So, like, whatever questions you are getting while watching videos, or maybe while reading books, or in conversational videos, just write it down. When you begin your journey, you have to make notes. You have to put little efforts. Then only you can remember. Right now, at this level, if I listen to any question, then I can remember, because I've come
Yeah,
a little, far in this journey. So I can remember. But when you are beginning your journey, you have to make notes. I also used to make notes when I started. So make notes of question, and then make more questions in the same pattern. Then only you'll have practice of asking questions spontaneously. All right?
got it, ma'am.
Hmm.
Okay.
So that was my
And
feedback.
ma'am, I ask other question. Like in, I will give interview
Hmm.
in after some month.
Hmm.
Uh, so ma'am, this type of like prepare in, you can say in my mindset,
Okay.
like
Mm.
in the during, like I have not uh, answered them any question. So after that, how to prepare my mind? This type of happen sometime. So
Yes.
could you like that?
So you have to be calm throughout the interview process. Okay. Even if, like, we'll hope that you'll get selected. But even if, by any percentage you are not getting selected, but don't lose that hope. You just have
Mm,
to
yeah,
appear for interviews again and again till the time you get selected, or till the time you get what you wanted, the kind of job you aspire for. Okay, so you have to keep on
yeah,
trying. So that learning attitude, that what do we call it? Winning attitude should be there. Like, you should not feel that I lost it, so it should not happen like that. But that winning attitude should be there. Even if I'm losing, then also I'll again stand up and go for another interview. Maybe, like, there should be hope. Okay,
yeah,
so again
right.
and again appear for interviews till the time you get the job that you aspire for. So that kind of
Okay,
mindset is required.
yeah, ma'am. And ma'am, like right now I am learning this language. So I will connect. I am connecting with someone. Uh, like compare with my English. So that time, sometime like I feel confident, but sometime I feel very nervous.
Hmm.
Like that.
You feel
Sometimes
nervous
I
when you
feel
connect with
okay.
learners?
Yeah. No,
Hmm.
learners like we can say like someone who better my more than like what do you say?
Who speaks better than you?
Yeah, you can say, yeah.
Hmm.
And
That's
also have personality like that, all things.
hmm.
You
That's
can
so
say like
natural.
interviewer types.
Right, right. So that's so natural. We all feel nervous whenever we get someone who speaks better than us, who looks better than us. We all feel
Yeah,
nervous.
yeah,
But it's just that if you feel that you are, feeling apprehensive because of their personality, because of their language, so try to be like them so that you could also feel confident. Okay, develop your personality, develop your language skills. So you'll also feel confident eventually, right? And you have to face these kind of people more and more in your life. So at some
yeah,
point of time, you'll not feel underconfident anymore or fearful anymore of these kind of people. Okay.
yeah, yeah, man. And that's why I am connecting with someone on especially video call.
Hmm.
For with my confidence, and I also observe and gesture, posture, and maintain the eye contact.
Right.
I am,
Hmm. So you are connecting, that's so good, but keep on learning also. Like whatever you learn, implement those in your video calls. It's not just that every day you are showing up, but learning nothing. You're just stuck at the same level. So learn. Besides the camera, you learn. And when you are in front of camera, just try to implement whatever you've learned. And when you learn something, when you gain knowledge, you automatically feel confident because you have knowledge and you are able to express that. So you'll automatically feel confident, right?
right.
Hmm. Okay. So I hope you liked the session.
Yeah, of course, man.
Okay. Same here. I also loved it. And let's wrap up this session here only then. And I hope to meet you again.
Yeah, of course, man. I am so
Hmm.
glad, man,
Uh,
connecting with you.
Same here. Same here. Okay. Then have a good day ahead.